Через 5 секунд ти почнеш вивчати нові слова, а поки підпишись, постав лайк та напиши коментар.
He.
Він.
He is my friend.
Life.
Життя.
Life is good.
Money.
Гроші.
Money is important.
Study.
Вчитися.
I study English.
Buy.
Бувай.
Bye. See you later.
Cooking.
Готування.
I like cooking.
Behind.
Позаду, за.
The cat is behind me.
Which.
Який.
Which one is yours?
Type.
Тип.
This type is new.
60.
60.
She has 60 apples.
Enjoy.
Насолоджуватися.
I enjoy the game.
What?
Що?
What is this?
Police.
Поліція.
The police are here.
Animal.
Тварина.
The animal is big.
Pin.
Шпилька, прикріплювати.
I need a pin.
Knowledge.
Знання.
Knowledge is power.
Bowl.
Миска, чаша.
The bowl is full.
Previous.
Попередній.
I like the previous one.
Lead.
Вести, очолювати.
You lead the team.
Broken.
Зламаний, розбитий.
The toy is broken.
Quarter.
Чверть, квартал.
A quarter of the cake.
Culture.
Культура.
The culture is rich.
Helpful.
Корисний.
She is very helpful.
Snake.
Змія.
The snake is long.
Wide.
Широкий.
The road is wide.
Garage.
Гараж.
The garage is open.
Romantic.
Романтичний.
It was a romantic day.
Painting.
Картина, малювання.
The painting is beautiful.
Wish.
Бажати, бажання.
I wish to go.
Hide.
Ховати, ховатися.
I hide the key.
Remind.
Нагадувати.
Remind me tomorrow.
Advantage.
Перевага, вигода.
This is an advantage.
Male.
Чоловічий.
The male bird sings.
Figure.
Фігура.
Look at the figure.
Obviously.
Очевидно.
He is obviously tired.
Passenger.
Пасажир.
The passenger is waiting.
Arrange.
Організовувати, домовлятися.
I arrange the meeting.
Personal.
Особистий.
This is personal.
Fair.
Чесний, справедливий.
It is a fair price.
Based.
Заснований, базований.
It is based on facts.
Soft.
М'який.
The bed is soft.
Southern.
Південний.
The southern city is warm.
Exact.
Точний.
This is the exact time.
Greet.
Вітати.
I greet my friends every day.
Lucky.
Щасливий.
Today is my lucky day.
Bone.
Кістка.
The dog has a big bone.
Completely.
Повністю.
I completely agree with you.
Stamp.
Марка.
Put a stamp on the letter.
Period.
Період.
It was a difficult period.
Inform.
Інформувати.
Please inform me about the meeting.
Crazy.
Божевільний.
This is a crazy idea.
Edge.
Край, межа.
Do not stand on the edge.
Ground.
Земля, ґрунт.
The snow covers the ground.
Positive.
Позитивний.
Always try to stay positive.
Allow.
Дозволяти, давати змогу.
Parents allow him to play.
Candy.
Цукерка.
She wants a sweet candy.
Exit.
Вихід.
Where is the nearest exit?
Pill.
Пігулка.
Take this pill with water.
Nervous.
Нервовий, схвильований.
She feels nervous before the exam.
Project.
Проєкт.
We are working on a new project.
Contact.
Контакт, зв'язуватися.
Please contact me tomorrow.
Easily.
Легко.
I can do it easily.
Biology.
Біологія.
Biology is an interesting subject.
Typical.
Типовий.
It was a typical sunny day.
Textbook.
Підручник.
Open your textbook on page 10.
Cause.
Причина.
What is the cause of this problem?
Link.
Посилання, з'єднувати.
Click on this link to see the video.
Prize.
Приз, нагорода.
He won the first prize.
Weekly.
Щотижневий.
We have a weekly meeting.
Argument.
Аргумент, суперечка.
They had a loud argument.